And Casey Anthony may be just hours away from getting out of jail again.
She's set to appear before a judge tomorrow morning on more charges of fraud, forgery, and theft. We have team coverage on tonight's developments. Daryl Nail is monitoring the situation at the Anthony home, but first we go to Andrea Conklin, who is live at the jail. Andrea?
Well, Casey was here today to see her case manager, but wound up getting arrested. Now, because of previous charges, she must see a judge to get bond, but for check fraud, that's probably going to be just over $1,200, which means she could easily walk out of these doors again tomorrow afternoon. It was a clear case of deja vu as detectives placed Casey Anthony in handcuffs, and once again, not for murder. Though her victim and former best friend wouldn't answer the door, records show Amy Hazenga told detectives Casey stole her checkbook and emptied her account, writing more than $700 in forged checks to Target, Winn-Dixie, and even to herself. Casey's third arrest in as many months adds fraud, forgery, and petty theft to the growing list of charges against her. But we asked detectives, when will we see more serious charges for the death of 3-year-old Kaylee?
We're not going to talk about strategy, and obviously we're not going to tip our hand.
Deputies would not discuss the ongoing investigation, so we turned to criminal justice professor Dr. Richard Weinblatt. Are we waiting for a body? Are we waiting for a confession?
Well, here's the question. Do we know if it was Casey Anthony?
Weinblatt says while there may be evidence to support a murder, they may not have enough to implicate Casey. And moving forward too soon could only endanger the one shot detectives have to make their case.
It's a high-profile case, and they don't want to blow any aspect of it. Once they go forward, the clock starts ticking, and they have to make sure that they've got everything lined up.
A PR firm for Casey's attorney accused deputies of filing these new charges to fuel media coverage, but deputies told us they are simply filing the charges as they make their cases. And Weinblatt told us all these lesser charges could end up just being bargaining chips, charges that authorities eventually drop in exchange for a confession. Reporting live here at the Orange County Jail, Andrea Conklin, Channel 9 Eyewitness News.